everyone, wishing you a very good morning. Welcome to the Eastern Public School YouTube channel. Today, children, we are going to learn general knowledge as we have finished our first chapter, second chapter, third chapter, fourth, fifth and sixth. So let us continue with the same chapter, that is quiz, okay? In the last chapter, I have done this quiz and all. Now the remaining part is here. So please take out your book, page number 20. Okay, see here, Mary had a little lamb. Okay, देखो Mary के पास क्या है? Little lamb है, ठीक है? Mary had a little lamb, L-A-M-B, lamb. Okay, now Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? We know this rhymes, Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? तो यहाँ पे Baba, black sheep, sheep. बाबा के पास क्या है? sheep है. Okay, तो you'll write here S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Okay. Now here, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. तो यहाँ पे hickory dickory के पास क्या है? mouse, ठीक है? hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. कौन दौड़ा clock के पास? mouse दौड़ा, चूहा, ठीक है? तो you'll write here M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Okay? Now see here, two little dicky birds. Okay? Two little dicky birds. तो two little dicky birds. देखो यहाँ पे क्या है? birds है. पिक्चर में क्या है? birds है. So you'll write here B-I-R-D-S, birds. Okay? Now see, little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet. ये एक rhymes है बेटा, तो उसका पेज यहाँ, उसी का line है यहाँ पे. There came a big spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. देखो यहाँ पे कौन बैठे थे? मिस माफेट बैठी हुई थी, तो वहाँ पे क्या आया? स्पाइडर आया. सो यूल राइट है S-P-I-D-E-R, स्पाइडर. ओके, आई हैव डन हियर, सेम वे सी हियर, दिस इज हियर. मैरी हैड अ लिटिल लैम्ब, L-A-M-B, लैम्ब. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Okay, now 3 is hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. What is the spelling of mouse? M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Now see here, two little dicky birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds. So you write here two little dicky birds. Now see number E, there came a big spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Miss Muffet के पास Miss Muffet बैठी हुई थी, तो वहाँ पे क्या आया? स्पाइडर, एक बड़ा सा स्पाइडर आया. तो what is the spelling of spider? S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. So this is completed. Now see here. Say how many legs and arms do the following creatures have? ये आपका पिक्चर्स है, ठीक है? यहाँ पे कुछ creatures दिए गए हैं, animals दिया गया है, तो you have to say how many legs and arms do they have, okay? सभी के legs नहीं होते, arms नहीं होते. So see here, a spider has dash legs. तो spider के कितने legs होते हैं? 8 legs होते हैं. So you'll write here E-I-G-H-T, 8 legs, okay? A snake has dash legs. स्नेक्स के पास legs भी नहीं होते, arms भी नहीं होते. So you'll write here N-O, no. N-O, no, no legs. Okay? And octopus has dash leg, arms. Octopus के क्या होते हैं? Arms होते हैं. Okay? E-I-G-H-T, 8 arms. Okay? Now see, a turtle has dash legs. Okay? Turtle के कितने legs होते हैं? 4 legs होते हैं. F-O-U-R, 4. In this box you have to write the number. Okay? An ant has dash legs. Ant के कितने legs होते हैं? 6 legs होते हैं. So you write her S-I-X, 6. Okay? Now a kangaroo has dash legs. How many legs does this kangaroo has? 2. T-W-O, 2. So you write here 2 legs. A kangaroo has 2 legs. Okay? Now see number 3, write the sound of the animals. Okay, write the sound of the animals. Previous chapters में भी हमने किया था कि animals का sound कैसा होता है, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर भी boxes दिया गया है, तो इसको आपको fill up करना है, ठीक है? जैसे like monkey. Monkey, what does monkey do? Monkey chatters. Okay, what is the spelling of chatters? C-H-A-T-T-E-R-S, chatters. Monkey chatters. Okay. Now what is this? Frog. Frog croaks. Croaks, ठीक है? C-R-O-A-K-S, croaks. Frog croaks. Owl hoots. H-O-O-T-S, hoots. H-O-O-T-S, hoots. Okay, owl hoots. Now what is this? Mouse. Mouse, what does mouse do? Squeaks. S-Q-U-E-A-K-S, squeaks. Mouse squeaks. S-Q-U-E-A-K-S, squeaks. Okay, now see, this is also done. Now we have finished this also, the quiz part. ये आपका rhymes का part का भी we have done it. We have done this also. How many legs and arms does the creatures have? we have completed this, the sound of the animals. So this and the next page is your homework. Okay, I hope you understand. Please kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for more updates, like the video, share to your classmates, and if any doubts, ask in the comment section. Till then, thank you, goodbye, take care.